So, we got something new and interesting going on at the ponds. This is our little stream, and it goes down here into this big pond, into this big hole, I should say. And the pipe takes it over to the big pond, I think. But underneath that pipe is a hole that we're going to use a concrete vibrator to break up everything. So, more to come. My husband's doing all this, and we have our friend Carrie here, and we're watching Pat not fall into the hole. Hopefully everything goes well. All right.
Guys, so here's the situation.
Oh, here, part 2 of our video.
Totally dry. Now it's got some water. See, shoot down in there. See a little bit of water is dripping out, but
Just
it was
a
dry.
little.
And so over here I put this new culvert in. And so this is what's feeding the creek
Ah.
right now. And that's supposed to, but this is a new culvert that I put in because that one was plugged up.
So this is the one we're going to unplug, right? Which
Yeah.
one are we unplugging?
We're unplugging that one. Well, we
Oh,
don't
not
know what the
this
hell
one.
we're going to be doing, but that's the
Well,
idea.
we're doing our best.
So then over here, you guys come out now.
And over here is where our bullfrogs are. Okay, stay with me. Don't get
Based upon
seasick.
my theory that the concrete vibrator is going to loosen it up because it is leaking a little bit now. So this is my theory.
Yeah,
We're going to
vibrate the pipe.
is a
See,
riser
there's one.
along this.
Don't know where that one goes. I think this one comes into this one.
Hang on a minute, Donna.
Okay.
When I first dug this up, I dug over here and I kept digging this way looking for the pipe. Well, it took an elbow right here, right over there to this way, and there's a riser right there. I got this concrete vibrator in the riser, and then you go that way, and somebody took that riser off the top over there. See it? And then there's probably more down there. So this is like just an underground pipe that feeds this creek. And it's been plugged up for all these.
I'm ready now.
I'm ready.
We're going to open it up. We're going to walk over here so we can get a better look. Alrighty, here we go. Let's see what happens.
Whoa.
Stand on that rock. I should step back so we can see Pat's face while he does this, huh? I think he's going to too. Don't shock yourself. Be very careful.
Hey, Russ.
Oh. You need more cord? You got it balanced.
I don't know, guys.
I don't know. I don't see anything happening.
It's going in.
Is it?
There it goes. Look.
Oh, there we go.
Drop them in again.
Oh, look at that.
So hopefully this will dislodge the mud in this pipe so that it goes through to the pond. That's what this is supposed to happen, I believe. I know, Pasha. It's a little scary, huh?
I see a whirlpool.
Oh, we see lots of mud.
Just walk over and see what's going on.
Okay. Let's see what's happening over on the other side of this pipe. Maybe something's coming through. We're not quite sure, but we're going to look. Don't get seasick while we walk.
Oh, you can hear it.
Oh, yeah. You can hear the humming. Hear it? I don't see any more water coming, though. Wow.
I got the black and white. Stick that shit
Oh,
in there with
Roxy's
water.
curious.
You're coming out here.
But it's not. You need to listen.
Hear it?
It's gurgling.
It is. It's gurgling.
Shove that
Oh,
sucker
he's
in.
pulling.
Shove this
Doing
one.
something?
All the way, put that sucker all the way in there.
Yeah. You can hear it gurgling over
Get
here.
on that pipe. You got a hammer? Hey, hammer, you got a hammer?
Oh, look,
Smack
look,
it, there it
look!
goes.
It's working!
There it goes.
Woo! Look at it, it broke through! It worked! And we got it on camera even, yay!
Wow.
What
Wow.
you gonna do when they come pull you, bad boy?
Wow, this is very cool.
Man.
And we got water going
Are you
again.
watching the pond rise up now?
Yeah, you will.
Yeah,
Holy camoly.
that is so
That is
cool.
So I did a lot
Alrighty,
of work on
that's
this.
it for now.
Yeah.
What it looks like now, the aftermath. The hole is now a hole, but see the creek, how the creek is running again? The water's running right down to that hole, and then it goes from here out to the side of the thing. Very cool. It's all working.